Alright, so y'all, if y'all want to get these brown butter chocolate chip cookies, please stay tuned, okay? So first you're going to start with your ingredients, everything that you need, your mixing bowl, your whisk, your measuring cups, 2 room temperature eggs, butter, salt, baking soda, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, white sugar, light brown sugar, and of course your chocolate chips of your choice. I use Nestle and Gardelli. You're going to start with whisking your melted butter. My butter was already room temper, so it made it easy to go ahead and start melting. And this is a huge step. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, I'm not gonna lie, but you want it to get brown. This is the important step to the cookies. So as you can see, my butter is foaming. The more it starts foaming, the browner it gets. You don't want to burn it. You just want it to get a perfectly brown, because this is important. This is your brown butter for the cookies. This is your base. Look, this is what I'm talking about. Look, look. Perfect brown butter, okay? Perfect brown butter. I used unsalted brown butter because I'm going to go in and add 2 tablespoons of salt, but that's later on in the batter. So yeah, look at that butter, and it smells so good, y'all. Y'all want everything out of that pot. It smells so good. It has like this perfect warmness, nuttiness smell. Your house is going to smell like cookies, I guarantee you. So I let my brown butter cool. And while it's cooling, I go ahead and start packing my ingredients. I start off with my light brown sugar. It really doesn't matter what you start off with. Then I go in with my white sugar, my 2 room temperature eggs, and vanilla extract, and then I whisk everything together. And these are my wet ingredients, okay? So I give all my wet ingredients a good stir, a good whisk, just so all the flavor can get into that brown butter, all right? Because it's important. So just enjoy this. All right, so now I got all my wet ingredients mixed, and this is how the batter should be looking, and it smells so good with just the wet ingredients. So I'm gonna go in and add my dry ingredients, the all-purpose flour, 2 cups and 1/4 is what I did, and I'm going in little by little adding this. And I'm also gonna add my 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. I will put the measurings all in the description box, just so you can get the exact measuring of what I did for everything. And then I just gradually add my dry ingredients little by little, and I'm giving that a good whisk to get everything in there. All right, now that we have our batter all mixed, this is the best part. The chocolate chips, I go in with my Nestle chocolate chips, and I believe they're semi-sweet, and also my Gardelli chocolate chips are semi-sweet as well. You can add whatever chocolate chips you like, or whatever type of chocolate you want to put in there, whether it's like the Heath Bar, Reese's Cups, peanut butter, M&Ms. You could do whatever you want to do, but I love me some good old chocolate chips. Gardelli and Nestle are my favorite, but next time I think I'm gonna try to do like a crushed Gardelli chocolate bar and make my own. So I'm going in with 2 cups because I love chocolate chips, and I give that a good stir. And I also let my dough cool so my chocolate don't melt in the dough. And this is how your dough should be looking, okay? I go ahead and roll mine out. I have 32 balls total, and here are the cookies. Look at those. Look at those. Come on now. Oh my God, yes.